the best plugin for music videos.
Look, I've been up since like 3 a.m. I don't hear the hate, what y'all say ain't in. All I know is go, all I know is grind. I'm on your head, all I know is climb, just know I'm different. If I see the target, just know I'm gon' hit it. I don't know the fake, just know I live it. Anything I say, just know I'm in it. I know the ops and they lightweight. I'm in the zone and I might stay.
Today's video is sponsored obviously by Kanye West. The intro clip was completely made just with this single plugin. As you can see, I have a bunch of adjustment clips in my timeline, and I've used only the MVFX music video plugin. To easily access the effects, select your toolbox menu, and write down in the search bar, music video. The pack is nicely divided into segments. The first one is the camera movement presets, the second one is where all the effects are located, which you'll use pretty often. Next you have the subtitle and the typography segment, and last but not least the transitions. I've used the letterbox effect on this adjustment clip. As you can see, if you go to the Effects tab, there is an in and out animation checkbox for some of the effects, and every control that you need is right here in the edit page. For the typography you have full control over the text parameters obviously. Also the subtitle animation is by default animated based in the duration of the title clip, but you can open the lyric controls, activate the karaoke box, and animate the word progress slider to your liking. Just bring one adjustment clip over your video, and drag the effect that you like over that clip. Each effect has also its own presets to choose, but I will not go through each of them. One of my favorite effect is the prism effect, which I will use a lot in my projects. I do also like that the film grain effect is based on film stocks, and it will slightly add some color to your clip, and not just the grain. Another good thing is that there is a built-in animation controls in the edit page. I will use the low shutter effect as an example. As you can see, you have all the sliders you need in the edit page, but the thing that I like the most is that every slider is animatable, and if you want you can open it in the Fusion page and modify any slider with the precious modifiers, or you can combine it with some extra nodes to customize it even more. As a bonus, if you go to the color page, you'll find out that there are also some nice LUTs included with this plugin. If you work in the music video industry, and you want to elevate your business, then I can confidently say that this plugin is a good value for money purchase.
If I see the target, just know I'm gon' hit it. I don't know the fake, just know I live it. Anything I say, just know I'm in it. I know the ops and they lightweight. I'm in the zone and I might stay.